Hello and welcoming you all back to a video lecture series on strategic management. I am Pavithra, working as assistant professor at Department of Business Administration (PG) at Dr. SNS College of Arts and Science. We in our previous videos we will be looking on to a video lecture series on strategic management, and we will be discussing about what is strategy, from where the word strategy is derived, what is the term strategy is actually and we will be looking on to what is vision and mission statement of an organization, who is leader actually, what are the qualities of a leader, what are the features of a leader, and we will be also looking on to a leadership styles and qualities. Today in this video we will be looking on to strategy formulation and strategy implementation. So first and foremost, what is strategy formulation? So strategy formulation is actually forming a strategy. Forming an idea or plan of action is called as a strategy. So I have a business and I have a goal to attain. So my goal of my business is to make my organization globalized is my vision. So the plan of action that I make to attain the vision is called as a strategy. So strategy formulation initially starts from the SWOT analysis. Before making a strategy or a plan of action, I have to learn about my organization. I have to learn completely about my organization. I have to know about the internal and external factors of an organization. So to know very well about my internal and external factors of my organization, I have to perform SWOT analysis. So what is SWOT analysis, how to perform the SWOT analysis, we will discuss in the next video. So first and foremost, to implement a strategy, firstly I have to learn completely about my internal and external factors of my organization. What are my strengths, what are my weakness, can I take this action? So what are the possibilities of success in taking this action plan, and what are the possibilities of failures in this plan? In case there is a deviation in my plan, what is the next step that I can take to survive without any delay or without any failures? So this is strategic planning or strategic formulation. So whereas strategic implementation is the process and step that we make to implement the action. So the business doesn't closes only after formulation. When I make a strategy to achieve the goal, that doesn't formulate. So I have an exam, I prepare a timetable. So from morning 4 to 5 I have to study this subject, 5 to 6 I have to study this subject. So 1 hour break, and after 7 to 8 I will study this subject. So 8 to 9 I will take my different time. So I make a plan. So I make a timetable. So this is called as strategic planning, which would be more easier example for you people to understand strategic planning. So I make a timetable initially to prepare for an exam, right? So that is called as strategic planning. So which we people would have been made more commonly. So strategic implementation. So after I make timetable, my work doesn't complete. I have an exam, I prepare a timetable. Will I get passed? No. I have to make an action. I have to follow those timetable. I have to proceed with the timetable. So that proceeding process is called as an implementation. Or successful planning takes us to a success when there is a successful implementation. So it is most important for an organization to make an effective plan, at the same time execute the plans into an action in a more right and appropriate way in a correct and right time. So that is called as a strategic planning and strategic implementation. So in case of a strategic planning, we will be using tools like SWOT analysis, pestle analysis. So these are the steps in strategic planning. So strategic implementation is the process, the action that we take to implement those process to attain the success. So that is about strategic planning and strategic implementation. So in our next video, we will be clearly looking on to what a SWOT analysis is actually. Thank you.